How to log in Fidor Bank online banking account. Welcome to our tutorial on how to log into your Fidor Bank online banking account. Fidor Bank provides a convenient and secure platform for managing your finances online. In this video, we'll discuss you and help you walk through the steps to access your accounts so you can check your balance, transfer funds, and many more. Open your web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Fidor Banking Login and press enter. Tap on the official link that says how to log in Fidor Bank online banking account and you'll be taken to the login page. On the login page, enter your email address and password associated with your Fidor Bank online banking account. If you have forgotten your password or email ID, you can use Forgot Password or Forgot Email ID option for assistance. Follow the prompts to reset your password or retrieve your email ID if necessary. After resetting your password or retrieving your email ID, return to the login page. Enter your login credentials again, including your email ID and newly reset password. Before logging in, make sure to accept all the cookies by entering the corresponding button.
If you find this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.